Well, what a difference a day makes, right? Isn't it a gorgeous Saturday afternoon? I mean, this time yesterday, it was yucky outside. It was yucky, it was cold, it was rainy, and today, it's gorgeous. Still cool. Right now, we're sitting at 48 degrees with it feels like a 45. Those winds out of the southwest at 6 miles an hour, that's making it feel a little bit cooler, but gosh, it's just better. It's so much better than it was yesterday. That winter mess has pushed off to the east. We've got clear skies pretty much across the entire state of Louisiana. Zoom in close, you can see really not a cloud in sight. My drive to work today, I was looking around and I didn't see a single cloud out there. That's what lets that sunshine heat us up in the afternoon. Now, unfortunately, the lack of clouds, it is going to let us cool down tonight, but we're going to be dry. So at least we have one thing to be grateful for. Now, looking at our 24-hour temperature change, you can see that warming trend just taking a grip of the entire state. 12 degrees warmer at Baton Rouge than we were this time yesterday. 14 degrees warmer down at the coast, Lafayette. And I'm telling you, these numbers tomorrow are going to look even better. We have a perfect Super Bowl Sunday forecast here in the state of Louisiana. Temperatures here are going to be way better than they are in Dallas. So if you're staying here to watch the game, you've got pretty good seats right now. Now, we do have another active week coming, and we are going to be cooler than average. I'll have all the details about that and your Super Bowl Sunday coming up.